Hello everyone, I'm Leena. Today I'm going to share with you another great idea, great activity to teach your children to enhance their hand-eye coordination. So this exercise I've chosen, there are many parents who are asking me that children are not even concentrated and their lines are going here, there, zigzag, zigzag. Okay, so today I thought hand-eye coordination here. So this is an exercise about how to count by connecting numbers. Connecting the dots is a great activity that you can introduce to your children. Also, again, I'm telling you that this activity develop hand-eye coordination. So let's not waste the time. चलो खेलते हैं क्योंकि खेलते खेलते learn हो जाए. So you can see here I have made these alphabets. So first of all, before this, that we as a teacher, as a parents, we have to tell the students, your kids, your children to whom you are teaching, we have to tell them that what is dot. So dot, 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 dot. Just these pointers are called dots. After this dot, we can start with the alphabets. And as you can see here, why I have created these, why I have made these circles inside the alphabets. Just to tell the kids that where they have to put these dots. And you can use these exercise with the colors because colors are very important. As they use the colors, so they will come to know the difference between this shape and these circles where they are going to put they are marking the full stops. You can also tell them, but more importantly, you can tell them these are the dots. So let's start. Suppose you are teaching your kid, you just create this alphabet, any alphabet. So you give them color and they will mark their dots here. In the given circles or any form you can create here. Okay, so in this way they will come to know, as I have already told you in my previous video, the tracing. The tracing exercise was also very good, but it was enhancing their another boosting memory, which boost their mind. I mean, these exercise, they help them in their understanding of different aspect of learning. We all have our different aspects to learn, different exercise. Here with these exercise, not only they will learn, they will enjoy. So our motto is not only giving them learning, their education, their knowledge. Here we want that they don't get bored with all these things. So as I've already introduced you these dots, how introduce these dots to your kids. So next exercise you can do with shapes also. As you can see here, when I was making this exercise, creating this shape, so I thought that I should not rub it totally. I have to tell you that first of all, the easiest way that we have to create the hole with your pencil. Just create with make this diagram, any form, whichever form you want to make them understand, whether it is circle, it is triangle, it is anything. So you create with pencil and then write 1, 2, 3 and blah blah blah, so on. Okay, so I have created like this. So student or your kid will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose your kid he comes till here 8. So suppose he will go till here 12. So I tell you, I like to confuse the children. At certain stage, I must tell you that I have to rub this. I have to rub this. Earlier I have rubbed everything, but this I didn't rub. just to show you. Suppose the kid start the dotting here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ऐसे ऐसे करके जब वो डॉट बनाता है एंड देन फिर वो यहाँ आता है, ये यहाँ पर जाकर फिर यहाँ जाता है, यहाँ जाता है. सो जब वो 8 तक आता है देन वो हो सकता है 12 पे भी चला जाए. बट व्हेन द स्टूडेंट कम्स टू नो, जब उसको हम बताएंगे कि 8 के बाद 12 नहीं आता, 8 के बाद 20 नहीं आता, 8 के बाद 9 आता है. सो दिस इज द कंफ्यूजन आई लाइक टू क्रिएट. व्हेन नॉट एट द इनिशियल स्टेज, जब बाद में, जब when your children come to know the numbers confidently, so then you can create these kind of confusion. 11 के बाद यहां से 12 के बाद 13. Okay, so this is actually an exercise where we get surprise at the end. पूरा फॉर्म बन जाता है, उसके बाद बहुत मजा आता है. ऐसे 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 हम तो आई एम ना, यू नो, आई एम ए यंगर किड, सो आई विल बी फास्ट. बट when they are children, they are small kids, even when I was a small kid, I used to get curious that what is inside it, why these numbers are written here, and if I fulfill all these dots, what will come out of it. So there is curiosity. So they'll certainly do. This is my practical that I have done all these. कुछ भी नहीं, कहीं से कोई भी शेप नहीं लेनी, कुछ भी जैसा आपके माइंड में आ रहा है आप वैसा शेप बना दो, कुछ भी. एंड यू कैन सर्च दीज एक्टिविटीज ऑन गूगल ऑल्सो. इट्स really easy to manageable and accessible. Okay, so here I have made, यहाँ तो आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा कि मैंने see the curiosity what I have made. Okay, so let's I'm doing fast. I'll start with 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. So suppose dot से clear नहीं हो रहा, so I'll make these lines. So you tell them, make the lines. 10, 8, 9, 10. Then 11, then 12, then 13, then 14, then 15, then 16, then 17, then 18, then 19. ठीक है? So you can see I made it. So you can search any kind of activity. Just you can search it on Google. Anywhere you will find it easily. I've got another thing for you today. This is, see, up till now we have worked with the alphabet and with any kind of shape. So I thought that why shapes should be behind. So can you judge what I'm going to create here? Like 1 के बाद क्या आता है? 2. Again, this is a confusion. 1 के बाद 2 आता है, not 8. So they can create till here. No. So we have to tell them, correct them, and 1 के बाद 2 आता है, 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then यहाँ पे कोई नंबर नहीं है तो we'll join with this. So you can use this exercise with dots. If you are telling them the lines, you can join them. Okay? Fine. This is another form which I have created. I'm going to be in light. So 1 के बाद क्या आता है? 2. You can also tell them the arrows. There's 2 के बाद 3, 3 के बाद 4, 4 के बाद 5, 5 के बाद 6, 6 के बाद 7. Any idea मैं क्या बना रही हूँ? What I'm going to create now? What it will be at the end? If you know that what it will be at the end, so please write in comment section what I'm going to create. I'll be so happy to see your ideas. Okay, 7 के बाद 8, 8 के बाद 9, 9 के बाद 10. Okay, then join with this. So, fine. Okay, so these ideas will help you a lot. I hope you will get new ideas. If you have any queries, you want to give your feedback, so please give it to me. You always are welcome. And if you are new subscribers, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you to watch my videos. Thank you. Support me, everyone, please. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.